In this video, I will tell you how to make money as a freelance web developer. We will see 5 real world ways to make more income while working as a web developer. You will have cash flowing for you even when no new web development clients are coming. Also, there are 2 bonus ways which, with little effort, can be a good revenue stream for you. Assalamu alaikum and hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adnan Ahmed, a seasoned web developer. So we will see 7 ways of making more money while working as a freelance web developer. Also, there is a disclaimer for this video. These methods are not fast or easy earning methods, but actionable methods. Over time, any of these or all can prove the right way of earning money for you. Let's start looking into this list, but before that, if this is the first time you are visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notified whenever I upload a video in the future. The first thing is to offer domains and web hosting to your clients. It is evident in the web development business as everyone needs at least one domain and web hosting to make its online presence. There are 2 types of clients: technical, non-technical. Technical clients can manage their domain and hosting themselves. That they can upload or download files, create email accounts, and take backup. You can offer them the hosting with a small fee to their overall package, and the rest of the things are managed by them. The second type of client is not very technical, so you offer them the managed hosting package. So you can add your fee of managing their domain and hosting. You are responsible for registering new domains for them and renewing domains and managing their web hosting related stuff. So this is a very steady way of generating income for your business. All you need is a hosting and domain providing company that gives you a reseller account. The hosting company should have reliable and 24/7 support, so you can reach them any time of the day to resolve the issues quickly. On my list, the second method is to provide training to clients when you build some CMS or web shop. Some clients are not very good with this system and you can offer training for some fee. This training may include help documents, one-to-one calls, screen share on Skype, or videos. This could be time taking for you, but in return, you can get some good money. Next, when you build a website for clients, you can offer them the content management service also. Content management includes creating pages on the website, and clients need to provide the content and relevant graphics as required. Some clients want to save their time and focus on their business activities, and you handle their website post development. So it is a win-win situation for both parties. The fourth method on this list is the website maintenance and security services of your web development client. Website maintenance includes minor bug fixes and software updates to help keep the website secure against malware and viruses. You can offer some monthly packages to your old clients, and chances are, if your clients were happy in first place with your work, they will willing to go long term. So it is a great way of keeping your client and your cash flowing. But for offering this service, you need to define how much you will provide the service. You are not going to do any significant software update like updating WordPress 4.x to 5.x, as it may break the website and you need to do a lot more work. Likewise, no new feature or design changes you will do unless you agree to do it at a higher price. So it is the right way to retain your clients and keep your monthly cash running. One great way of keeping long-term client is to give 24/7 support. Not only do you have a mechanism of fixing any issues or bugs in the office time, but you also give support to your clients out of office hours. For out of office hours support, you have an opportunity to charge higher, but there are some cons of 24/7 support. If you are the sole worker in your company, then there is a tremendous toll on you to manage this. Everyone has a personal life and family. To provide 24/7 support, you need to make a balance between your work and personal life. The first bonus method on my list is to provide social media management. This method may or may not work for all, but with some little effort, you can have a good skill in social media marketing. You can make an offer to your client that you can manage their social media marketing. See, businesses ask to make their website to promote their business online, and social media is a great place. Most clients are too busy to do social media marketing and sometimes not very tech savvy to know what, when, and which content to post. You can help them, and there are many tools available on internet where you can schedule social media posts. And as I said before, You can earn some good income by offering monthly, quarterly, or yearly packages to do social media marketing for your clients. The second bonus method, and optional also, as it required a bit of technical knowledge regarding how the DNS works for domains. Businesses use email marketing to promote their business and products, and it only beneficial when emails land into the inbox most of the time. This start with technical authentication of email sending domains. This include SPF, DKIM, and DMARC cards appropriately configured in the DNS. If you are the one who is managing domains and web hosting for your clients, I hope you have the required skills to add these records in DNS Manager. I am not getting into technical detail of all this, but if you are interested, I can make a separate video on this also. I have earned a good income with this method. I make a few permanent clients who offer email marketing services to businesses. Okay guys, this is my list of 7 real ways of making more money while working as a web developer. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if not, you can even thumbs down. Do you know any other ways of earning money while working as a freelance web developer? Write in the comments so other can get benefit from it. And this is the purpose of this video also. I am Adnan here, signing off. Bye.